My name is Dr. James Grant. I am a board-certified chiropractic physician. Did you know that most people that get in an automobile accident will only have $3,000 worth of medical coverage for their accident? If you're transported to the ER by an ambulance or have the basic medical coverage, you will only have $3,000 worth of PIP benefit. PIP stands for Personal Injury Protection. This will be eaten up very quickly. If you have x-rays or an MRI or a CAT scan, and even some ambulance rides will cost more than the $3,000. Most insurance agents will never tell you about increasing your PIP benefit. The least you can have in the state of Utah is $3,000 worth of coverage, but most insurance companies will not upsell you to any higher amounts. I have talked to several adjusters and asked them why they will not encourage patients to have more PIP coverage. Their answer is they are instructed by the insurance company not to upsell you because insurance coverage is very cheap. And if you get an increased PIP benefit, it might cost the company more in the long run. I would recommend that you at least have $10,000 worth of personal injury protection. Some insurance companies will offer as much as $100,000. Increasing your PIP benefit is the cheapest insurance that you can buy out there, and that's why they don't want you to have this. For pennies a day, you can increase your insurance coverage from $3,000 to $10,000 to $100,000, and you'll be ultimately surprised how cheap it really is. You might say to yourself, well, I have insurance. But insurance does not cover very much these days. Most health insurance companies have a high deductible of $2,000 to $10,000 to $20,000, and none of your bills will be paid until your deductible is satisfied. There are usually co-pays and co-insurances after the deductible is met, and from there are usually limits on treatment. So if you have an accident, sometimes your PIP benefit is eaten up before you can actually get to the doctor and get the treatment you actually need. The great thing about auto insurance is there are no deductibles, there are no co-pays, there are no out-of-pocket expenses, and there are no limits on treatment. I would encourage you to call your insurance company today and ask them how much it would cost to increase your personal injury protection to at least $10,000 to $100,000. I think you will be surprised how low the rate will be. You might say to yourself, well, I'll wait to do this when my coverage renews. However, I would suggest that you call now because you can make this change at any time, and most of us will forget by the time our insurance policy needs to be renewed. But this is the time when they need follow-up treatment the most. So this is a good tip that you will see a lot of personal injury attorneys suggest, which is a very easy thing to do. We recommend this to be something that you can really save a lot of money and provide the proper protection for yourself in the future. Hopefully you will never need it. It is a very low-cost way to be sure you are properly protected. If you have any questions about this, or if you have been in an accident and want to see an accident injury specialist, please contact our office anytime to make an appointment.